All right, so we're getting ready to install floors and cabinets in this house, and we had a huge storm come through Tuesday morning real early, and it flooded the kitchen and the living room of the house because the soil in the flower beds was too high. So when the gutters were diverting the water into the flower beds, it flooded in under the slab into the house. So we're going to put in a large French drain, which will prevent water from getting in if there's ever heavy rains again and ruining our floors and our cabinets.